V-Center X300.
Swivel head B-axis with built-in spindle, 26 kilowatts, 1200 RPM. Roller gear mechanism instead of worm gear mechanism minimizes the backlash and guarantees high accuracy at an arbitrary angle. Coupling is included as standard to clamp the swivel spindle at every 1 degree indexing to enhance structure rigidity and the according milling and drilling capability. Built-in spindle, motor spindle by Siemens motor offers 26 kilowatts, 140 newtons output at a low base speed, 2500 RPM. Oil-air lubrication with filtration system is used for spindle bearing. BT40 SK40 tooling system implements high-speed machining by travel column machining centers. HSK A63 tooling system is also available as an option. Column-mounted tool changer. Tool magazine is carried by the travelling column to reduce the tool changeover time. Twin arm type ATC performs quick and reliable tool changeover. 48 tool magazine is included as standard for universal applications. Rigid machine structure. 3 linear guides support the heavy travelling column to assure smooth moving along X-axis for minimal variation. Large ball screw diameter assures sufficiently high rigidity and quick response. Three-meter travel facilitates long part machining and pendulum machining. Innovative design off-center pallet on long table for highest rigidity. With the innovative design for the rotary pallet, C-axis, to extrude long fixed table, the overhang length of the headstock can be reduced so the overall spindle rigidity is increased dramatically, at least 43%, to assure high accuracy machining. Y-axis travel 700mm design is capable of machining big part up to 1100mm in diameter with reliable accuracy. Torque motor, DD motor, drives the rotary table, diameter 630mm, at rotating speed up to 100 RPM. Angular encoder is included as standard to guarantee high indexing accuracy. Table loading 800 kilograms, suitable for big or heavy parts. Versatile applications through a wide range of setups. With a central partition guarding installed, this innovative model V-Center X300 not only to do the multi-face machining on long parts, but also effectively turned into 2 smaller vertical machining center for pendulum machining at different setup for 4-axis or 5-axis machining. Chips and coolant disposal. 2 screw-type chip removers are included to remove the swarf from the machining area. Rear disposal chip conveyor follows to take chips away from the machine. High-pressure coolant pumps and large coolant tank. Moving operating panel for easy operation. Heidenhain controller TNC 530 facilitates 5-axis simultaneous machining. The unique conversation functions enable the easy operation on this complex machine model. Moving CRT design facilitates easy programming and tool calibration when pendulum machining. Fully enclosed guarding allows high-pressure coolants when the coolant through spindle is used. Cutting performance.
Heavy cutting.
Turbo blade machining. Optional accessories. Auto tool length measurement. Coolant through spindle. Auto part measuring. HSK A63 tooling system.